Alright, sorry for that interruption. Yanni. Oh, Chris Paul.
Greg Oden, that has to be
Wait,
good.
is this gold? Oh shoot, numbered out of 2007.
Really?
Yeah. 466 out of 2007, Greg Oden. That's probably worth like...
Wait, then check the other cards that
That's
we
probably
got
worth like
from
50
that.
cents. Oh shoot, yummy. Yummy.
Oh, it has a gold border?
Yeah,
Wait, that's how they did it back then?
I guess.
That meant it was good?
That's pretty cool. Greg Oden. It's probably worth like 30 cents.
We can't even tell because we don't have the guide.
It's worth nothing.
Dude, it's out of 2007 though.
Sir, be more careful. Kerr, Adam Morrison, Kobe on the side.
We should have had Albert here.
Monta Ellis.
Oh god. Wait, you didn't even look at what that card was. Who is that? Nick Young?
Nick Young. Stucky. Well, this feels sick. This could be it. This could be it. Andre Kirilenko, TJ Ford,
Luke!
Ellis.
Oh shoot, what is this? It's nothing.
It's nothing. Thaddeus Young. Alright, I'm getting demoralized.
Hey, we got the Greg.
We have a lot of packs
We got the
left.
Greg Oden.
We have so many packs left.
We already got our money back with that Greg Oden card.
Dude, I need to figure out how to open these faster. It's like 50% of our time.